Okay, so last week we made some faces using cardboard and tubes and kitchen roll and stuff. And what we're going to do today is we're going to put some layers of paper and glue to make it nice and smooth and to make it nice and strong. Okay, so if we just watch carefully how we're going to do this. So we're going to start in the middle, okay, and we're going to paint some glue on first of all, and then we're gradually going to add some little newspaper pieces. So if you put the piece on and then paint the glue on after, and then press it into all the creases so that it picks out that nice shape that you made last week. Okay, so a bit more glue down here on the next piece, and then you've got to try and overlap the pieces of the paper, and that will make sure that when you've finished it, it will all be nice and smooth. Okay, so if I put some down here, put my next piece on here down the side of the nose. It's probably a good idea to start in the middle with the nose and then gradually work out to the edges. So a bit more glue. Remember, put some glue on first and then put your piece on, and then remember to press, use your brush and press the paper into the shape so that you can still see how it's all built up like that. Okay, so I'll go to the eye next there. Get the glue on first, then your piece of paper. Okay, and around like that. Bit more glue, bit more paper. Remember, all the time you're going to overlap. Okay, and then when you're working on, if you're working on a cardboard one and you get to the edges, what you also want to do is get some glue on the edge here and around here, and we're going to put it on the edge here and then fold it around like that. Put some glue here and stick it down, and what it does is it makes these outside edges nice and smooth. Okay, so if we're working on the tube one or the bottle one, okay, exactly the same technique, and you're going to paint some glue on first to start you off. Start on the nose and then stick your piece of paper on, and then just keep working with the brush and the glue so the paper gets nice and soft, and then it will fit to the shape of the pieces that you've stuck on. Okay, just like that. And then also it makes, as well as it making it smooth, it's also going to make it nice and strong. Okay, so same thing all the way around on there. Okay, round the edges, and then don't worry if you've done that hair that sticks out everywhere like lots of people did. You don't need to put the paper on that, just leave that as it is, and we're going to think about a different way that we're going to kind of decorate that and finish it off. So it's just the kind of solid bits that you need to be working on today and get it nice and smooth. And then at the start of the session today, I should have finished these, and I'll show you what it should look like once you've finished it. Okay.